The Realme 13 Pro series is a perfect blend of hardware and software, providing a premium smartphone experience for a decent price. Realme's Hyperimage plus AI system and aesthetic design language are the biggest highlights of the smartphone. Realme says that the design language of the Realme 13 Pro series is inspired by the work of French painter Claude Monet. The forested glass on the back of the smartphone has a brushstrokes effect, which resembles the works of Monet. The new smartphone opts for a circular camera module on the rear side. The camera module is carefully designed and adds to the aesthetics of the smartphone. On the front, minimal bezels on the display give the device a premium look. Realme has introduced the Realme 13 Pro and 13 Pro Plus smartphones. These new smartphones come with many improvements over their predecessors. They have an improved processor, better cooling, and better camera sensors, along with many other upgrades. Both the Realme 13 Pro and 13 Pro Plus feature a 6.7-inch Full HD plus 120Hz curved AMOLED display with ultra-narrow bezels and 2160Hz PWM high-frequency dimming. The displays offer up to 2000 nits peak brightness for clear visibility in bright sunlight. They include Realme's Pro XDR technology that enhances photo effects with better dynamic range and brightness. The display supports 100% DCI-P3 color gamut and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. The design of these phones is inspired by Claude Monet's artwork, available in Monet Gold and Monet Purple for the glass back panel and Emerald Green for the vegan leather option. The high-gloss AG glass, with the miracle shining craft, creates a shimmering effect. Both models are powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 SoC, paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. They feature a 9-layer cooling system, including a 4500mm square tempered VC and 9953mm square graphite, to keep the devices cool during intensive use. The Realme 13 Pro Plus features a 50-megapixel rear camera with a Sony LYT-701 sensor, f1.88 aperture, and OIS, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera with 2.2 aperture, along with a 50-megapixel Sony LYT-600 Periscope telephoto camera, f2.65 aperture, offering 3x optical zoom and up to 120x super zoom. The Realme 13 Pro includes a 50-megapixel LYT-600 sensor, f1.88 aperture, with OIS and an 8-megapixel f2.2 aperture ultra-wide camera. Both models have a 32-megapixel front camera and AI features like ultra clarity, smart removal, group photo enhance, and audio zoom. Both phones come with a 5200 mAh battery. The Realme 13 Pro Plus supports 80-watt Super VOOC fast charging, reaching 50% in 19 minutes and 100% in 49 minutes. The Realme 13 Pro offers 45-watt Super VOOC fast charging. The devices run on Android 14 with RealmeUI 5.0. Realme promises 2 major Android OS updates and 3 years of security updates. Connectivity options include 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS. The phones have an in-display fingerprint sensor for security, along with stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and high-res audio. The mid-range segment in the smartphone is highly competitive. Hence, companies need to give their phones some highlights to make them stand out. The feature that makes the Realme 13 Pro series stand out is the Realme's Hyperimage plus AI system. Realme has made this system to provide an enhanced camera experience. It bundles software and hardware features to give users a better result. Firstly, it uses the hardware, which includes the high-end camera sensors like the Sony LYT-701 and LYT-600 sensors. Secondly, it used the AI imaging algorithms, which help detect the scene and give perfect shots accordingly. Lastly, there are cloud-based AI image editing features as well. For example, there is an AI feature called Smart Removal, which helps users remove any unwanted object or person from images. There are more features, such as group photo enhancement and audio zoom. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.